Ruth Benedict. She was the first anthropologist to apply psychological principle, especially of Gestalt principle of psychology in anthropology. In her book Pattern of Culture, Ruth Benedict proposed the concept of pattern of culture. Pattern of culture say that arrangement of cultural elements in a integrated whole. The element of a culture are arranged in a cultural whole. So the pattern of culture of a society is different from the pattern of culture of other society. She studied Pueblo or Zuni people of southwest of America and showed that the culture configuration, pattern of culture or culture configuration of the Zuni people is characterized by Apollonian culture. The Apollonian cultural ethos stresses on gentleness, peacefulness, tranquility, cooperation, and harmony. As a result of these cultural values, Zuni people do everything in moderate way. They do everything within the limits. They avoid excess. Marriage in the Zuni people is a simple affair between the couple. Death is not characterized by too much mourning. They avoid warfare, they avoid violence and use of drug in ritual. So they are peace-loving people. On the other hand, in the study of Coquitlam Indian of northwest coast of America, she showed that the culture, the confession of culture among Coquitlam Indian is Dionysian. Coquitlam Indian is characterized by Dionysian culture, configuration. This culture configuration emphasize on violence. This culture configuration emphasize on violence, warfare, competition, and self hurt or mutilation. Hurt or mutilation of body part body part in body part to induce a religious ecstasy. Rank and status is valued, and in order to prove themselves superior chief, they give potlatch, the valuable they have collected. In potlatch, they give big feast, and they give valued goods to others, guests, and even throw away the things in the sea to show their, in merely show off. They destroy, burn their things only in a show off to prove that they are greater chief. So this society is different. Culture pattern of cooperative union is different. These value generate in them Dionysian personality. So the culture pattern of two society are different. We also compare the culture pattern of tribes of India, the pattern of culture of Maler Pahadia, of Maler Pahadia, pattern of culture of Munda, and pattern of culture of other tribal Toda pattern of culture are different. In Maler Pahadia, Gosai spirit and Pret, Jhanda Gosai, Mej, Bandana festival, and other things, and their marriage, their economic system, political system, all are interrelated. We can't isolate one cultural element from the other cultural element. So these all cultural elements constitute a whole, constitute a integrated whole. Likewise that the cultural element of Munda, agriculture type, Jhanda Gosai, Mej, Khallu, Mej plus you can say Khallu, they all are interrelated. Agriculture, Munda culture pattern, agriculture economy, concept of Singh Bonga, and their festival, ritual, marriage, family, economy. So all are integrated whole. Likewise, pastoral Toda of Nilgiri have a different culture pattern. Buffalo is totem for them. So the buffalo, dairy, and their concept of religion, polyandry, all are interrelated whole. So culture pattern say that every culture, every society has a different pattern of culture which distinguish it from the other culture. As I have shown that the culture pattern of Juni Indians of Southwest America is different from culture pattern of Coastal Indians. If so, we can also give a culture pattern of Zuni Indians, Zuni cultural pattern. Again, I have pattern of culture. So it is, you say that their child rearing practices, child rearing practice, ritual, divide of use of alcohol, marriage ceremony, simple marriage ceremony between the couple, and values of cooperation, friendship or constitute a cultural whole. Likewise, in Coastal Indian, all the cultural elements are constitute a integrated whole. So this is what pattern of culture. Pattern of culture concept is very useful. It is derived from psychological principle of Gestalt. I compare Malinowski also conceived culture. Malinowski universal pattern of culture is universal. Pattern of culture and Ruth Benedict pattern of culture. What is similarity between commonness between clarity? Both study culture as an integrated whole. Both Ruth Benedict and Malinowski studied culture as an integrated whole. Malinowski proposed the concept of Malinowski formulated the concept of culture, proposed the concept of universal pattern of culture to satisfy the culture. We satisfy seven type of biopsychological needs. On the other hand, Ruth Benedict formulated pattern of culture to distinguish one society from the other society. It is a for example, he categorized Juni culture as Apollinian and Proctonian as Dionysian. The difference is that now the difference is that Ruth Benedict starts with Ruth Benedict start with group or society and show that the pattern of culture of one group or society is different from other group. On the other hand, Malinowski starts with individual. Starts with individual and saw other cultural institutions, for example, cultural institutions such as marriage, family, cultural institutions as derivative of individual needs. Malinowski holds the view that man has developed cultural institutions such as a marriage, family, religion, economy, polity as a cultural instrument to serve to fulfill the biopsychological needs. So, he saw individual needs is the source, is the cause of development of cultural institutions. So, these are the basic difference between questions are really sometimes asked in a competitive framework. So, pattern of culture I have compared here with the universal pattern of culture proposed by Malinowski. Thanks.